Hey guys, today I have this big super racing car and let's drive it. This is so cool and it has lights. See that, guys? So we can test this out anywhere we want. We can test it on the floor, we can test it outside, anywhere you go. And it will, if it runs out of battery or charging, you can just charge it up in any minute. It will be done any minute, like tomorrow or right now, or I don't know. Okay guys, I have this really big car and this is my remote control. And it has lights, look. And it also has backlights too. See that? It kind of makes sounds. But see that? And it's so big, it's show you guys how to. There we go. This is how it is. The door just fell and then closed. And this is the car. Let me just close this door. There we go. And this is how it goes. It goes fast and turns like this. I'm not going too far back because that's. There we go, guys. It's right back. And I'm going to control it even more so you guys can see. Wait. You see why it's going so slow? Because it's slow with battery. So, see that? Guys, you can enjoy fresh air so much. You can drive the car all day long, but when you get low with battery, you can like charge it or everything. And I hope you like my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications right there to see more videos of mine and my little brother. And see you later, guys. Bye. Oh yeah, also guys, and you can watch more of my videos right there and right there and right there, and subscribe right there. See you guys later. Bye.